Beginners, who are learning or trying to get into the video post-production process, often get confused in these two pieces of software: Premiere Pro and After Effects. Whether you want to make videos for YouTube, short film, advertisement, or animations, these two softwares often come into the picture. So let's clear the confusion among the two, and let you decide which one to opt for. First, let us discuss the common features between both the softwares. Both are owned by Adobe, both can edit videos, both can add sound effects to your videos, both have color correction and grading tools, and both have motion design and VFX capabilities. If these many things are common in between them, why did Adobe create two separate pieces of software? Let's try to understand by diving a bit deeper into each of the above aspects. Number 1. Editing and sound. Yes, as said earlier, both of them are capable of doing editing and sound, but the interfaces and workflows are entirely different. Premiere Pro lets you to import, organize and label tons of your raw material in a most efficient and cleaner interface. It lets you preview and trim parts of the footage right inside the thumbnail view, eliminating the need to switch between windows for each and every clip. Although if needed, it allows you to open each individual clip and precisely trim it. The editing interface in the timeline follows a linear workflow where you can easily trim, join clips, stack graphics on top of video layers, and add sound effects without any unwanted hassles, and it's much cleaner to manage timelines due to its linear workflow. Number 2. Motion design or motion graphics. Motion design varies from simple text animations and complex motion graphics to even character animations. Premiere Pro can execute decent text animations and motion graphics. If you want to push it further, you can even make complex motion graphics too, but the interface is not at all made for it. Soon after you start adding a few layers, you will start to feel the pain. Whereas in the case of After Effects, the interface is tailor-made for motion design exclusively. Some of its key advantages are the easy stacking of a number of layers for achieving complex effects. Controls to edit each layers are very intuitive. The keyframing and graph editor can easily handle the behavior of complex animations, its painting and masking capabilities, and a ton of advanced preloaded effects which allows you to create anything, where the only limit is your imagination. Number 3. VFX. Premiere Pro is capable of doing minimal visual effects, like green screen keying and compositing elements. But it lacks some of the most essential tools, which are the most important elements in VFX, like camera tracker, camera projection, paint engine, advanced rotoscopy, etc. After Effects, along with its motion design capabilities, is also very good at advanced VFX. It has an advanced keying system, camera tracker, very intuitive rotoscopy tools, fully functional paint engine, to mention a few. Number 4. Pricing. Both the softwares, as of 2020, cost the same as shown in the screen. Number 5. Conclusion. If your task is more focused on editing and color grading clips with minimal graphics and visual effects, then Premiere Pro is the best option for you. Premiere Pro recently introduced its Essential Graphics feature, where you can use preloaded or third-party .mover templates to create advanced-looking motion graphics. You can find these files in almost any online markets, like Video Hive and Motion Array. So motion graphics is not that of an issue if your requirements are minimal. If your task focuses more on graphics and VFX, with minimal editing and sound effects, then After Effects is your choice. After Effects is the most advanced software out there in the market when it comes to handling multiple things like motion graphics, VFX, and editing. That was our conclusion. Hope you have a clear idea on the softwares you should opt for. If you like the content we provide, make sure to like, subscribe, and share our video in your community. And feel free to post ideas for upcoming videos in the comments section. This is Known Digital. Thank you for watching.